Alright, we're coming up on a minute before the start of the Class C, or Class B EHRF class for the 41st Lauderdale Key West race, hosted by Lauderdale Yacht Club and Long Tricycle. Some more heavy hitters in this class as well, just like the class. You have, this is actually Perf C, I'm sorry. They coming right down towards the pin now is the dark green boat, is the Little Harbor 54 Jasmine, a sleeper of a boat, past overall winner of the Lauderdale to Charleston race, with some heavy hitters on board the crew there as well, and including but not limited to Dan Big Country Peckham, going for the cruising comfortable route to Key West this year. And there we are within a minute to go to the start. Jasmine there with their head still flogging, just now starting to put the bow down a little bit towards the pin and get a little rumble going. To the left, in their class, are the two J88s, Spaceman Spiff and MI2. To the left of Jasmine is, I think that's Spaceman, and to the right is MI2. I might have them backwards. "30 seconds to the start. Nobody really pushing it here, except it looks like Jasmine might be pretty close in there. And one of the J88s might be right there on the pin for a quick spin on the pin and the jibe set. Let's see if that's what we get from those guys. Looks like Jasmine is setting up for a barroway. And here we are with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's your start. All clear. That's Rimshot with a red spinnaker, the Beneteau 36.7. There's Jasmine bearing down to the line, getting edged out. The first boat across the line is the J88 right on the pin. And Jasmine and Rimshot at the same time, both hitting with speed. The other J88 having an interesting wipeout out there on the pin. And there you have it. Rimshot, a very nice start there. Nice head of steam, clear lane, and they're off on their way. We'll sign off now, bring you back for the next one. The next one will be Class D.